In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Microsoft Planner. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to planner.cloud.microsoft and proceed to click on this sign in. You will only be able to use Microsoft Planner if you have an account under an organization with a paid subscription or you have a subscription on your account yourself. So proceed to click on this sign in option. From in there, just sign in into your Microsoft account in order to access it. Now here is my actual planner right there. So to set reminders for tasks in Microsoft Planner, you cannot set up pop-up reminders directly, but you can still receive email notification for assigned tasks, overdue tasks, or due dates, which are managed in the plan settings. So if you want to have a personal reminder, you can assign a task to yourself. So I have assigned this task to myself, and then it will actually appear on my day option. So here it is right there. I have this task for today. So into this, we need to just have a due date for that and assign this to ourselves. And in here, this will actually show up into our grid and we can see the task that we need to do for today. Now, if you want to access your plan setting, you can head over and access it by clicking on the three dots next to the plan name. Like for example, let's head over right here on the My Plans option. I have in here these plans. Let's click on this plan right here. Then for this one, you can actually pin this, copy this link, and then assign the actual settings for that. You can also manage the settings option that we have in here available, so you can proceed to click on it. With this, you can change the theme colors, license, as well as other some more options for the actual setting. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, comment them down on the comment section below.